If you want to see how the Outin Nano portable coffee maker prepares coffee, find out if it's easy to use, and learn about its main features, don't miss this video. The Outin Nano coffee maker is a portable coffee machine that lets you enjoy a delicious cup of coffee in the mountains, at the beach, or wherever you go. It's very manageable, easy to hold with one hand, and weighs less than 1 kilogram, making it super easy to carry around. As you can see, it has a beautiful and modern design. It's made of high-quality plastic, solid and pleasant to the touch. It has a matte tone and a slightly rough texture, which gives it a unique look and makes it quite attractive. You'll notice it has LED lights to show the brewing status, some eye-catching design details, and here at the end we have the lid, which is also practical since it can be used as a cup for pouring and drinking the coffee. And at the back, the USB port for charging, protected by a rubber flap. This is very useful as it prevents dirt from getting in. This portable coffee maker works with both Nespresso-type aluminum capsules and ground coffee. First, I'll show you how it works with capsules, and then with ground coffee. To make a coffee with a capsule, simply remove this plastic lid and unscrew this piece at the end. Once unscrewed, just insert the capsule into this part, press it in slightly, and screw the top part back on, making sure it's tightly secured. After inserting the capsule, you'll need to add water to the coffee maker. The water reservoir is located at the top. As you can see, the reservoir is made entirely of aluminum, which is ideal for handling high temperatures from a hot water. Inside, there are markings indicating the recommended water amount for an espresso, which is 40 milliliters, and the maximum amount, which is 80 milliliters. Well then, to continue with the preparation of our coffee, we add the water. In this case, I'm going to put the maximum amount, 80 milliliters, adding water up to the maximum line. And then, we simply have to close it by placing the lid on top. To start the brewing process and heat the water, all you need to do is press this button. As you can see, the machine makes a small beep, and the first of the 4 LED lights turns on. It takes about 3 minutes for the water to heat up. Almost 3 minutes have passed, and as you can see, the 4th light has turned on. This means the machine is almost ready to serve the coffee. This time, I'll hold it in my hand and pour it into a glass cup so you can see how it works. And it's now starting to serve the coffee. As you can see, it has a nice color and the typical crema layer of espressos. As you can see, we've ended up with a fairly long coffee this time. This depends on how much water you put in the reservoir. For this coffee, I almost filled the reservoir to the maximum, so it's a longer coffee. If I want it shorter, I just use less water. Here it is, our delicious coffee, just like the one you'd get with a capsule machine at home. Removing the used capsule is also very simple. You just need to unscrew the piece we saw earlier, take out the used capsule, and you're done. It's that easy. Now, let's see how it works with ground coffee. The Outin Nano includes this accessory that allows you to load the machine with ground coffee. You simply put the coffee into this container. Press it down with a measuring scoop. And screw it onto the end of the machine, just like we did with the capsule accessory. The preparation works the same way as before. I've already added the water to the machine, so now I just have to press the button, and the machine will start heating up. This time, to show you that it's not necessary to hold the machine all the time, I've placed it on the plastic cap, which can be used as a cup for drinking the coffee. And as you can hear, the machine is now serving our espresso made with ground coffee. I'll open it so you can also get a better look at the process. And there it is, ready. A delicious coffee to enjoy wherever you want. Lastly, let's talk about the battery. It's very easy to charge with this USB cable that comes with the machine. However, keep in mind that you'll need a USB charger to plug it into a power source since the Outin Nano only includes the cable, not the charger. The battery capacity is 7,500 mAh, allowing you to make about 5 cups of coffee with room temperature water on a single full charge. You're probably wondering about the price. Well, you can see it on the screen now. However, we recommend checking the links in the description and comments of this video. And to wrap up, we've put together this summary table of the main features of the Outin Nano portable coffee maker, which you might find useful. And remember, if you want to see one of the main alternatives to this portable coffee maker, don't miss the next video. We hope you enjoyed the video, and most importantly, that it helps you decide if this is the coffee maker you've been looking for. See you in the next video.